Hello, everybody. Here is an assignment that you can do in your workshop um, when you are not with me. You can fill out a notebook piece of paper like this. You can find a partner and around the classroom, find items that are fairly small and measure the length in metric with how many centimeters and then how many millimeters. So you measure an item, and if it's 26 centimeters, then you write down 26 centimeters here, and then you would write over here, you would write 260 millimeters. I would like you to do that. And I would like you to do 10 items with a partner. When you have a partner, make sure that you work well together. Each of you will use a paper like this, put your partner's names, fill out the paper like this. I just put, and then right here, put the object. Right here, you put the object. Here you put the length in centimeters, and here in millimeters. Okay, you should be able to do that. Just remember there's 10 millimeters in every centimeter. Okay, so you might have to do a little bit of math to figure that out, but it shouldn't be too hard. Okay, we have been working on this in class. So please do that today in your workshop along with anything else that would be on Google Classroom. And that would be, you are moving ahead with our metric unit that way. Okay, and if you have any questions, please ask, but this should be self-explanatory. Just be respectful in the teacher's classroom. Okay, well, thanks much. Get busy.